Hello my friends, welcome to NAVIFORCE unboxing review time again. Let's have a look at what I have bring you today. Okay, first of all, we can see this is our Galaxy car, and here is the model today I will bring you. It's the number NF9095. It's a multifunction main watch, and here we got 4 modes. 4 functional modes is the normal mode, means the time mode, and stopwatch mode, and alarm mode, and time set mode. Actually there are only 3 modes, we can say that. Okay, let's have a look at the watch. Okay, here is the watch. First, let's have a look at here the data of this model NF9095, and let's have a look at the windows in this watch. Here the window is for the week, and here the window lower window is for the time, hour, minute, and the second. We can see here is a multifunctional watch, and here we got 4 small buttons on the case, and this is the crown. The crown is to set the hands, the hours, and when we press this button, we can see we have an EL light, background light, but now it's too bright here, we cannot see the bright. When you go to a darknet place, you can see the lights on. Okay, if you want to know how to set the week or the time functions about this watch, later I will show you another video to teach you how to set the multifunctional function modes. And have a more detailed look at this. On the back case, we can find the model number here, and our brand logo on the back case. And here is the genuine leather, and our brand logo here is very soft. And this barcode we use is solid stainless steel barcode. Okay, I tried it on my wrist. Okay, now here is the watch on my wrist. Actually, this watch we got 5 colors. Let me show you. Just now I've shown you is this orange one. We use the leather color to devise the different color. And now here is the brown coffee one, and this is the gray one, and this is deep brown, and this is black one. Here is the coffee one, and we can see actually we have the luminous coating on the hands and on the hour and the minutes hand. Here is the quality of this coffee one, the coffee leather, and the barcode is black. Back side. Okay, this gray color. The gray color here, the 12th position and 3rd position, the color we make it white. back side. Here is the gray color on my wrist. Okay, the next color is the deep brown color. Very nice the stitching on the leather. And the case color is also a little gray. Okay, the last one is the black combined the red one. The indices and the stitching on the leather is also made of red color. Really nice the leather, soft and flexible. Okay, this is all for today. If you want to buy any of one, you can come to our official store. Okay, this is all for today. See you next time. Bye.